Hi friends, it's Miss Jenifer at Somerset Academy of Music, and today we're going to look at the G major arpeggio. I'm going to take you through both hands with correct fingering 1 and 2 octaves, how to put them together, and I'm even going to share with you one of my favorite practice tricks for learning to play the arpeggios. It's going to be helping make it even easier than you ever thought to learn to play an arpeggio correctly. But before we get started, I'd just like to thank you for watching the video. If you find this video at all helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you gave it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share it with friends and family. Also, if you'd like to leave a comment in the comment section below, let me know how I'm doing with my videos, if there's a way I can make them better for you, or if you have a topic of music theory that you would like me to cover, please leave it in the comments below as well. All right, so let's get started with how to play the G major arpeggio with the right hand. So the notes are going to be G, B, D, G, D, B, G. That's the 1 octave. The fingers for 1 octave are 1, 2, 3, 5, 3, 2, 1. Now, if we want to turn this into 2 octaves, all we're going to do is, instead of playing the 5th finger here on G, when we get to there, instead of using our 5th finger, we're going to tuck our thumb under and place it on the G. Now, when you go to tuck that thumb under, please make sure that your elbow isn't popping out, that the cross under is happening completely with your thumb and fingers. Then take the rest of your hand and place it on the notes as you go up, the same way you did in the 1st octave. Okay, so let's take a look at, I'll go through the finger numbers for 2 octaves. Looks like this. 1, 2, 3, tuck your thumb. 1, 2, 3, 5. Come back down the same way you went up in reverse. 5, 3, 2, 1. Cross your 3rd finger over. Remember, don't pop out that elbow. 3, 2, 1. I'll do that one more time, a little smoother for you. G, B, D, G, B, D, G, D, B, G, all right, let's look at the left hand. The left hand's going to use the same letter name, so I'm just going to go over fingers. Here it is, 1 octave. 5, 4, 2, 1. Back down, 2, 4, 5. Notice that the left hand is using 4 and the right hand used 3. All right, let's take a look at what the left hand looks like 2 octaves. Again, when we get to the G, we're just going to cross over and start that next octave. Looks like this. 5, 4, 2, 1. You're going to swing your 4th finger over top of your thumb. Don't pop the elbow. 4, 2, 1. Back down, opposite. 1, 2, 4. Tuck your thumb. 2, 4, 5. Here it is a little smoother. 5, 4, 2, 1. 4, 2, 1. 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1. Now, when we put it together, as I pointed out before, the left hand is using the 4th finger and the right hand is using the 3rd finger. So this is where it can get tricky. So you have to make sure that when you put it together that you're still using the same finger that you used separately. So here's 1 octave. Here's the letter names. G, B, D, G, D, B, G. And 2 octaves. We're going to have both thumbs end up on this G in the middle of the arpeggio. Looks like this. G, B, D, both thumbs on G, B, D, G, D, B, both thumbs on G, D, B, G. Okay, now I promised you a little practice trick, and I'm going to share that with you right now. So one of the things that I like to do when you're trying to learn to put arpeggios together, as I was talking about the 4th finger in the left hand and the 3rd finger in the right hand, one of the cool ways that will help you as you're learning to practice it is to get some stickers about this size, and you're going to put the stickers on the fingers you don't want to use. So in my left hand, I want to make sure that my 3rd finger doesn't play, so I'm going to put a sticker on the fingernail of my 3rd finger, and in my right hand, I'm going to make sure to remember not to play my 4th finger, so I'm going to put a sticker on that finger. Okay, so then when you go to put them together, it's going to be real obvious which fingers you want to avoid playing. So we got the G, B, D, G, B, D, G, D, B, G, D, B, G. It's just helpful to see, helps you point, you're going to just notice more if you're using one of the wrong fingers. Now, after you do that several times and get comfortable with, then you can remove the fingers once your hands get that muscle memory, once they get used to playing the notes correctly. So that's it. That's how we play the G major arpeggio. Again, thanks so much for watching, especially if you all made it all the way to the end. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share it with family and friends, and I will look forward to seeing you in the next video real soon. Take care.